Now, I can't see the sea yet. I haven't been that brave because I don't know if you can see them trees, but down here on the coast it's a little bit windier, quite a lot windier actually. Someone's brave enough to try riding a bike over there. Well, it's proper shaking the car now, wobbling from side to side. Bit of spray and drizzle in the wind. Actually, the weather looks quite bad up there at the moment. Yeah, good luck trying to ride that bike, Eunice. I think you're pushing your luck a little bit too much now. Windows open. Never seen the sea look like this. Oh, look at that! And it's not just close to shore, I can see like that down at the sea, half a mile out. And there's a lot of people come to watch. Had a job to find a parking space. This is crazy, absolutely crazy. I've never seen this. This is the first. I changed my mind about going for a walk out on the pier. Look at it, you can barely see it. I don't know where the car is getting a real pounding sitting here. I'm getting pounded. Just look at it over the pier. I'm glad I came out to have a look at this. It's absolutely mental.